Workflow at a standstill because of the Libcilk Runtime DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix your development runtime software conflict for good. Before diving into the Libcilk runtime technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This DLL file is the Intel Cilk Plus Runtime library. It provides foundational support for task-based parallelism in C++, allowing applications to easily distribute workloads across multiple processor cores. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of your development runtime software to replace the Libcilk runtime. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Libcilk runtime. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for the Libcilk Runtime DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to the Libcilk runtime. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the Libcilk runtime today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.